we wanted to make sure we could deliver on that performance, and we feel like we have utilizing the fuel technology that we've got in the saw. But beyond performance, we wanted to look a little bit deeper into what people saw as kind of the issues with their current corded saws. The one thing we saw a lot of is people picking up these 60 to 70 pound tools and having to drag them on and off a job site every single day. Now miter saws clearly aren't being picked up and moved around like you would with a cordless drill or maybe your cordless sawzall, but being cordless inherently needs more portable, so we wanted to focus on that. This tool is 15% lighter than the leading corded 12-inch miter saw in the marketplace today and weighs in under 50 pounds. So really, really impressive, looking to make sure we're saving the backs and the muscles of the professional contractors out on the site. Runtime is also a big piece here. When you're asking people to cut the cord, they're always worried about, can I get enough work done on a single charge? With our 12 amp hour battery, we're going to deliver 330 cuts on a 3¼ inch baseboard, so plenty to keep a guy busy all day. If you got multiple users working on a saw, it's part of the M18 system, so you can just swap packs and keep on running. You don't have to worry about any downtime. Obviously, accuracy is really important with miter saws. We paid a ton of attention to it, so from machines, bases, tables, and fences, stainless steel, adjustable miter D10 plates, this thing is full of things to make sure it's accurate. You guys come up and make some cuts and see that for yourself. We've also been able to pack a bunch of features into this, like our shadow line LED, to make sure you can see exactly where the tool is going to enter the work material, get a quick, efficient lineup to make your cut. We've also included ONE-KEY. So ONE-KEY is obviously our digital tracking and asset management software. Very much like the table saw, this is going to allow you to connect to your tool. You can lock it out if you have to leave the job site. You're going to be able to add it to your inventory, track your receipts when you purchase products, as well as make sure that if it walks off the job site or ever gets lost, you can use the tracking function to try to find it. So we're very, very excited about this. Like I said, this has been a long time coming and one of those products a lot of people have asked for. So I'm going to make a cut here in this piece of 4x6 so you guys can kind of see just how much performance we've been able to pack into this thing on a single M18 pack. Everybody ready?
Ready?
Okay. Smooth. Like I said, tons of power out of a single M18 pack and plenty of runtime to keep everybody productive on the site. So, anybody want to give this thing a shot? Going in, first hand.
What about those instructions when you connect to a...
Yep. Give me one second. Once he's done, I will. What about it? Sweet, he said. So there's a question about dust extraction. So on the back of this tool, obviously we have your dust bag. This one's pretty full. We're creating a lot of dust here, so this is plump full. Just show you guys how much dust we really can collect. But we have a multi-sized dust port here as well. So this is going to fit all your common vac sizes. So 1 1/8", 1 1/4", 1 1/2", 1 7/8". So regardless of what you've got for hose size, you should be good to go to plug it into this if you want to have above average dust collection with the vac. Any other questions? What was that? It's going to be November this year, November. So we got a little bit. If you guys want, like everybody said, we're going to